Hey now, I'm back with a fantastic trading system that produced insane results and was featured on the Trading with Cody channel that I have not only optimized but had developed into a Trader's Landing TradingView automated script. This versatile strategy can be used for scalping or swing trading and has the ability to adapt to multiple market conditions. But if you are not subscribed, then your next trade will wind up like this. This video is brought to you by the best broker in the world, Hanko Trade. Hanko Trade features spreads that go all the way down to zero for you 1-minute scalpers, and they allow up to 500 times leverage. They have zero KYC requirements. Hanko Trade supports Forex, indices, commodities, and crypto on the same platform. And if you use my link, be sure to take advantage of that $25,000 deposit match. But the reason why I personally love Hanko Trade is they offer all of these amazing features to US residents. What more could you possibly want? I call this system Cody on the Landing. And like most trading systems, it can be adapted to Forex, crypto, options, stocks, indices, or any instrument that has significant volume and market participants. This trading strategy utilizes 4 free TradingView indicators. As always, links and settings to all indicators are listed in the description. The first indicator is the Exponential Moving Average, or EMA. I am going to set the length to 200 and color it in white. The 200 EMA will be used to confirm trend direction, looking for longs above the white line and shorts below. The second free TradingView indicator is the Parabolic SAR. Inputs and style will be kept at default. The Parabolic SAR is a J. Wells Wilder indicator and is sometimes known as the stop and reversal system. When blue crosses appear above price, look to short, and when the crosses are presented below price, look to long. The Parabolic SAR will be used as confirmation for entry. The third study are the ATR bands. Upper and lower bands will be configured at 2 times ATR and colored in orange. The average true range is a volatility indicator, and in this system will be used to set stop-loss levels. The final study is the Relative Andean Scalping Indicator, or RAS. Inputs and style will be kept at default. This indicator is a combination of 2 other indicators, the first being the Andean Oscillator and the second being the Relative Bandwidth Filter. The Relative Andean Scalping study is very simple, placing literal buy and sell signals above and below the candles. In Cody on the Landing, the RAS will provide the entry triggers. Let's go over entry criteria and review some examples. As always, rules and details are listed in the description below. This chart is Aussie versus the Kiwi 4-hour candles. The rules to enter a long for Cody on the Landing are: first, price must be above the 200 EMA in white. Second, there must be a Parabolic SAR buy signal present. Finally, we are looking for a Relative Andean Scalping long signal. Our rules are met when this candle closes. That is our trigger candle. The stop is placed at 2 times the ATR below the trigger candle, which is the orange line below price, and target 3 times risk. And long example 1 hits the profit target. If you enjoy this content, make sure to click that like button. I have one more long example. Price is trading above the 200 EMA. There is a Parabolic SAR buy signal. The RAS says to long. Everything converges on this candle and it serves as our trigger. The stop is placed at 2 times the ATR and 1 to 3 is our target. And long example 2 grinds to the target level. Now we flip to shorts. This is what I will test for shorts. First, price must be trading below the 200 EMA represented by the white line. Second, the Parabolic SAR is indicating a sell by presenting blue crosses above price. Finally, the Relative Andean Scalping Indicator says to short. Our rules are met when this candle closes. That is our trigger candle. The stop is placed at 2 times the ATR above the trigger candle and the target is 3 times risk. And short example 1 crushes the profit target. I'm going to show you one more quick short example. We have price below the 200 EMA. The parabolic SAR is telling us to sell. The RAS says to short. This is our trigger candle. The stop is placed at the upper ATR band and the target is 3 times risk. And short example 2 rapidly hits the target. I'm going to give you some insightful ideas on how we can improve this system along with a trader's landing score. And now it's time to do what I do. If you enjoy this content, hit the like button. If you are thinking of using this system, please do extensive back and forward testing and be sure to let our community know what you discover. I ran these back tests on differing categories of instruments, Bitcoin itself, a crypto cross, the Nifty, and the Forex commodity cross, Aussie versus the Kiwi. There was about half the amount of data on the crypto instrument, so take that into account when comparing results. This dataset indicates as configured, this strategy would work very well on crypto crosses. The equity curves here are all similar except for the Nifty, which does have a more extended period of consolidation. But stay tuned for my ideas on how to make it more versatile for varying time frames and market conditions. I give this system a trader's landing score of 8 because the relative Andean scalping indicator is a great base to start off from that offers opportunities such as being deployed for both quick scalps and swing trading. Just be aware that this system should be configured to match the chart being traded. Remember, the enemy of great is good. I have 6 ideas on how we can improve this system. First, the super trend as a precondition for entry can provide very strong signals. You can try it either in conjunction with the parabolic SAR or in lieu of it. This is an option on the automated script. Second, I noticed on large moves that an RAS signal followed by a cross of the 50 and 200 EMAs with price trading well above or below those EMAs can portend a huge market move. This happened more on the larger time frames and can be tested for a possible great swing trading system. The community script allows this option to be enabled for faster testing. Changing the stop loss levels can be very helpful. Using a trailing EMA as a take profit method will allow you to capture larger moves in the market, thus increasing your gain on account. Additionally, using the previous swing may increase your win rate, but if you are more comfortable spotting key levels of support and resistance, that may be the best of both worlds and what I personally use. Unfortunately, this last option is more subjective and not coded into the script. Fourth, Cody changed the default settings on the relative Andean scalping indicator using 75 as the Andean length and 9 as the signal strength. This did provide better results on some Forex charts. Next, the simplest way to use an EMA is as a trend filter, but if you can match the EMA settings to the market, you can get extremely strong, extremely clear signals with little effort. Furthermore, using an oscillator like the RSI to identify divergences and hidden divergences in the market, especially in strong trends, will allow you to make the RAS indicator more sensitive, which will give you many more signals. If you want to talk to me and interact with our community, in addition to supporting the work I am doing here, you can do so for free by registering for our Circle community. And those who pick up a premium or elite membership will have access to the discussion and education spaces, in addition to the TradingView automated scripts and a private video of my own personal trading system. Thanks for watching and have a great day, because you deserve it.